This is a clear, quick process to move your stock out of AWD. And you can see what AWD is. It's pretty much just a huge warehouse, Amazon warehousing and distribution, where Amazon holds your goods and then they pretty much put them into Amazon's direct warehouse. But you can also remove the goods and ship them wherever you want. In order to do that, you're going to log into your Amazon Seller Central account, and then you're going to go to Inventory, Warehousing, and Distribution. You're going to click on Move Inventory. Once you click on this, it's going to take you right over here where it says Move from Storage. Now, it's automatically going to be FBA replenishment, but you can do off Amazon distribution, and then you can choose a warehouse and a destination. Now, you have to add the destination. So add the destination on where you want it to go. Click this button right here, Add Channel and Destination, and then it's going to take you pretty much right over here where you're going to put the channel information, right? And I actually already filled it out. And we're just going to say it's a physical retail location, because if you put other, Amazon's going to start asking questions. And we don't like when Amazon asks questions, so I recommend you fill it out to the best of your ability. After that, you're going to do the destination information, and then it's going to look something like this, right? Make sure if you can accept pallets, mark it. If you can't, don't mark it, right? I just said just boxes, please. Click Add Destination and click Move from Storage. Then you're going to go back to this page right here that we were just at, and you're going to click Choose From, and you're going to choose from any of the warehouses that Amazon has your AWD inventory. So we're just going to click this one, and we're going to push it over to that Happy 44, that made up address that I made. Here's the products, right? I only have one case, 1 units. There we go, 1 unit per case. I'm going to send 15, click Confirm, click Review Move Request, and then Amazon's going to take it from AWD and then ship it to this destination location. And they have been very quick with it, and it's been working very well. So I have tested this before. It does work very well. Yes, they do charge you a fee, so you can check on all of the fees for this, but it does work, and it works very well. But that is the step-by-step guide to move inventory out of AWD, right? And it's a great way to do it very quickly and seamlessly. That's it for today's video. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you want to have more videos like this or any video regarding Amazon, leave a comment below on what video I should create next. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.